Welcome to Hostinger Coupon Code channel, guys. Want to take full control of your automation? Ditch the limited workflows and execution caps. For high-value, low-cost n8n automation with unlimited possibilities, Hostinger's self-hosted n8n VPS hosting is your answer. Here's what's available: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. Purchase any plan through my special partnership link and get an extra 20% off. That's double the standard 10% discount you'd get with a regular coupon. Here's how to rock this deal. Check the description box and comments for automatic coupon codes organized by country, currency, and language. Click your country's link to reach Hostinger's official site. Navigate to the right side of the nav bar and select Self-Hosted n8n. All plans are there, and my 20% discount applies to each one. I'm choosing KVM2, and you can see the 20% discount automatically applied at checkout. Always select the maximum subscription duration, since Hostinger doesn't provide renewal coupons. Critical tip: use a new email address that's never been registered with Hostinger to claim this discount. Enjoy the best-priced, self-hosted n8n hosting with Hostinger. Thanks, friends. Love you and love n8n.